Set course to San Diego.
What is our business in San Diego?
Don't be insubordinate. Just set the course and get us to LoCal. Post haste.
LoCal?
Yes, LoCal.
LoCal does not compute.
For Megatron's sake, California has 3 known sectors.
Are these sectors recognized by the alliance of Megatron, Grimlock, and Soundwave?
LoCal is where San Diego is. I'll explain. First, there is SoCal, where you find LA, the OC, and the IE.
The IE?
I did not name it. Then there is NoCal.
Don't you mean NorCal?
No, if I'd meant NorCal, I'd have said it. In NoCal, you have Frisco, also known as a city by a body of water.
Okay, I get it. LoCal is not a diet reference. It simply means Lower California. Ha ha, funny, I guess.
And to think your designer said you were not programmed for higher thought. Ha 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 ha.
Now tell me our business in LoCal. Are we going to the zoo?
No.
Are we going to SeaWorld?
No.
Are we going to a Padres game?
Hell no. We are going to Comic-Con.
Comic-Con?
Yes. A magical place where dorks of all ages congregate to look at the fat slobs behind their favorite fictional characters.
Like Mary Poppins?
Troida, did you crimp your circuit board again? Comic-Con has everyone from the world of video games, comic books, and animation. I'll be dressing as Shao Kahn.
Who should I dress as?
Well, since you are yellow, I suggest either Bart Simpson or Pikachu.
Ah, that gives me an idea.
And first prize for most original costume goes to Bartachu!
I won.
Holy protons of Ultra Magnus. Now his ego will be as big as Gigantor's fists.